Caddy does donuts! He's not too happy about it.
Yeah.
A little bit of a different view of West Side Road today. It's a very icy, snow-covered, lots of sand. It's cold, very, very cold. And we're gonna go have some fun. No high-speed driving around here today. Oh, we're getting past. Holy cow, there's a lot of them. No idea if you can see this. The whole road is just covered in bighorn sheep. They're just walking slowly. That's cool. I love wildlife. As long as it's not trying to eat me. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. My day has started off very cold and pretty early. It's also trying to snow and looks pretty nasty out, which is awesome for what I was just doing. I went and had some fun in the snow. Found a nice little road that I'd been down in the summertime. Knew it was nice and wide, relatively smooth. So I learned how to defeat the traction control in the Cadillac and went and pretended to be a rally driver for a bit and then did some donuts, which was very fun. And that's all going to be right here in the footage. Caddy does donuts! It's not too happy about it, and I can't leave it at full lock, but it does donuts. And it spins pretty freaking nicely. And it does rally drive pretty nice too. Sorry, that snow was getting a little deep, so we're gonna head away from there before I end up buried. So I'll be honest, doing donuts in the snow is more for me than for you because I love it. It's so much fun and it's not, well, ruinous on your tires. And as long as it's fairly fresh, powdery, poofy snow, it doesn't hurt much. But for the rest of the day, I wanted to get out and go for a little bit of a drive. Just check out how things have changed now that there's some snow here in the valley. Now, on the drive out so far, we've experienced quite a bit of wildlife and some very icy, nasty roads. So we're going to be very conservative with the driving today, other than what I've already done, but that was on a very, very secluded road. And yeah, you know, gotta be smart and safe with this sort of stuff. So let's buckle up and see what the road holds for us. Just slid into this little parking lot here to make a quick turnaround. I can tell you, this is a very, very fun, very narrow, twisty, windy road in the summer. It is terrifying in the winter because it's very narrow, very icy, and everything, as it turns out, is an off-camber turn. So yeah, the traction control has been turned back on. And that truck that I went past not too long ago, that was pretty close. So yeah, we're gonna just kind of take it easy on the way home. Wanted to say thank you very, very much for choosing to come along on today's little adventure in the snow. Hey, I just realized where we are, actually. So that area right across the lake, let's see if I can get zoomed in far enough. That is McKinley Landing. My apartment is basically just on the other side of the ridge there. That's cool. Anyways, thank you very much for coming along on today's little adventure. I personally had an absolute blast. Hopefully it comes through on film just how much fun it is to slide around in this big old boat of a Cadillac. So be sure to subscribe. Leave a like, share the video, leave suggestions on any sort of adventures you'd like to see, and hopefully you have yourselves a great day, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.
Yes.